Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 9 of Whole, a 21-day yoga journey. I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I am here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditation, self-care techniques, and more. So today we are going to explore a full sun salutation or Surya Namaskar, basically A. So the first version of the sun salutation. So earlier in the challenge, we did the half sun salutation, and this time we're going to explore the full sequence. And we know that this is something that's going to help us warm up our body, warm up our muscles, our joints, all those things. And it's great to do before you do a full practice. It's also good to do in the morning. So we're going to explore a full sun salutation today. And what you'll need for this practice is a yoga mat, and you can have some yoga blocks nearby. They're optional, but it's good to have them nearby. So grab what you need and we will get started. All right, so we're going to start at the top of the mat in Tadasana, mountain pose. You can have your feet together or hip width apart, whichever feels better for you in this moment. Standing tall, hands down by your side. Reach your shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back. We'll start with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And we're going to start with our half sun salutation that we learned earlier in this 21-day journey. So we're going to start with inhaling, reaching our arms up. Exhale, come forward and down. Forward fold. We're going to inhale to our half forward fold. So your hands can come beside your legs, your shins. Lift your upper body up, parallel to the floor. Exhale, drag your hands down towards the mat. Inhale, bend your knees, reach your arms out and up. And exhale, arms down by your side. We'll do that again, this time incorporating our blocks if you would like to use them. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, coming down, diving forward. This is where you can bring your blocks into play. On the half lift, straighten your arms, straighten your legs, lift your chest. Coming into our half forward fold. And exhale. Inhale, bend your knees, reach your arms out and up as we come to stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. So those are 2 different ways for our half sun salutation. And now we're going to go into our full sun salutation, and we'll do one without the blocks and the second will be with the blocks. So we'll start inhaling, reaching the arms out and up. Exhale, coming forward and down. Inhale to your half forward fold, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands down. From here, you can step your right foot back and then your left. So you always have the option of having a high plank or a low plank. Either is fine here. And then you're going to lower down to the mat mindfully here. So take your time. Keep your elbows in towards your chest until you come all the way down. Then we'll come into our back bend. So roll your shoulders up and back, hands beside your chest. You can start by just lifting a little, or you can lift a little more, or you can come all the way up, your choice, and then down to the mat. So we're going to tuck our toes under. So we'll start by lifting the chest, and then go back onto our knees, tucking the toes under, and then lifting to downward facing dog. So you lift your knees and your hips. You can step forward a little bit. Let your head rest between your arms. Heels reach down towards the mat. Take a breath. And then from here, you can start to look forward and start to walk forward. Take your time until you come into your forward fold. And then inhale to your half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach the arms out and up as we stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. Take a deep breath in and out. So we'll do that again without the blocks, but we're going to try stepping to the top of the mat when we're coming back into our forward fold. So again, just walking to the top of the mat if you're not there already. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. And exhale, coming down. Inhale, half forward fold, lengthen your spine. Exhale, forward fold. This time, stepping the left foot back. And then the right. Remember, you can do high plank or low plank. And then we're going to lower all the way down to the mat. Take your time. Elbows in. Tops of the feet are down. So we're coming into our back bend again. Opening the chest and lifting. Take your inhale. And exhale down. Tuck the toes under. We're lifting to downward facing dog. So lifting your chest, knees and hips. Take a breath. Heels reaching down towards the mat. And then from here, we're going to leave the left foot down. Reach your right foot up. So we're going to attempt to step forward. So what you're going to do is bring your knee into your chest. Start to shift forward, scooping the belly up, and then step. So you may not quite make it. That's okay if you don't. Just go ahead, stand up, and bring that foot forward. And then you can go ahead and step left foot up. And once you're here in your forward fold, inhale to your half forward fold. And exhale down, forward fold. Inhale, reach your arms out and up as you come to stand. And exhale down, mountain pose. So that was our full sun salutation without the blocks, but we demonstrated with our knees down for the plank and walking forward and then trying to step forward. So you can do either one when you're doing your sun salutation. And our last ones are going to be with our blocks. These are optional, but they help tremendously. So we will walk to the top of the mat, back into your mountain pose, standing tall. Take a deep breath in and out. And then inhale, reach your arms out and up. On the exhale, coming down to your forward fold. On the inhale, you can grab your blocks. Hands on your blocks, lift your upper body, legs are straight, half forward fold. Exhale, release the blocks, hands down, forward fold. And then stepping your right foot forward, back, not forward. And then your left foot coming into your plank. And then lowering down to the mat with your knees, lowering all the way down, hands beside your chest. So we're coming into our back bend now. Keep your elbows in, lift the chest as far as you'd like. And exhale down. So this is the part where you can use your blocks under your hands. We're coming up to downward facing dog, so you can come up to your knees first. Tuck your toes under, lift up and back. So sometimes this helps with cushion for your hand instead of just having it flat on the mat or the floor, depending on where you are. And let's try to step through this time with the blocks. So keeping that right foot down, lift the left knee, bring the left knee in, and we're up a little higher this time. So start to lift your right foot, scoop your belly up, and then step forward. You may find that it's a little bit easier to step forward with the blocks. You can have them on the small height or the medium height as well. And then stepping forward. So now we're back in our forward fold. Inhale to half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Come into stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. And let's do that one more time. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Just saying hello to my plants. Exhale, coming down, forward fold. Inhale, forward fold, half forward fold with your blocks. Remember, you can have them on whichever height works for you. I know some of our arms are longer than others. And exhale, hands down towards the mat. Bring your fingertips down, step your right foot back, and then your left. Remember, you can do high plank or low plank, whichever works for you. And then slowly lower down to the mat. Keep your elbows in, coming down smooth. Tops of the feet are down. Coming to our back bend. Open the chest and lift. Inhale. Exhale down. This is where you can grab your blocks one more time. And then we're coming up. You can start with the knees, tuck the toes under, and lift to your downward facing dog. Take a breath. This time lifting the right leg up behind you. And then bringing the right knee in, lift the left foot with the left ball of the heel. Step forward. You might find it a little easier this way. And then go ahead and step the left foot forward. Forward fold. Blocks off to the side. Inhale, half forward fold. This is where you can use your blocks. Or hands beside your legs, either one. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. And we'll end as we began with our 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. And that's it for day 9. And now I want to hear from you. How did you experience this practice today? Let's talk about it down in the comments. And this is a great time for you to do a short reflection of your practice, whether you sit and think about it for a few moments, or whether you choose to write it down on a piece of paper or in a journal. Either is fine. And don't forget to check out my other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true. But most importantly, be mindfully you. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 10 of our 21-day yoga journey.